Alright, we're adding scientific notation now. So same as we have been doing with multiplying and dividing, I'm going to look at my first factors and add those and then look at my powers. So in order to add or subtract though, you have to have the same power here. Right now I've got 10 to the 5th and, 10 to the negative 5th and 10 to the negative 4th. I can't subtract them unless they are the same. So I'm going to look at adjusting the second one. So I want to change. And to do that, I'm going to multiply it, multiply it by 10 over 10, which is like multiplying it by 1. And so I wanted to get this to be a negative 5, which means I need to take away a power, subtract it. That would be the dividing by 10. So I'm going to take and divide this by 10. I'm going to take and divide and multiply that one by the 10. That way I'm keeping everything the same in balance. So this will now become 40, 10 times the 4, times 10 to the negative 5th. If I divide this by a power of 10, I'm subtracting another 1. Negative 4 plus negative 5. Negative 4 plus negative 1 is a negative 5. And then I have my 8 2/10 times 10 to the negative 5th. Now they're the same powers. I can do my addition. So if I add those two together, I get 48 2/10 times 10 to the negative 5th. And just like we did with dividing and multiplying scientific notation, we need to look and to see if our first factor is written correctly. 48 is not a correct first factor. It has to be less than 10. So I need to move my decimal point. So 4 and 82/100 times. Now I took away one of the decimal point places, so this is now going to be 10 to the negative